क्या तुम्हें भी लगता है एक बॉक्सर बनने के लिए यू नीड अ जिम, कोच और years of training to become a boxer? My buddy, that's not true. You can start boxing right now at home without any equipment, no fancy setup, and zero experience. This video is your step-by-step guide for exactly doing that. अगर तुम बॉक्सिंग सीखने को लेके सीरियस हो बट डोंट हैव एक्सेस टू अ जिम एंड इक्विपमेंट, डोंट वरी, क्योंकि आज मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा कि हाउ टू ट्रेन एट होम, डेवलप रियल स्किल्स एंड बिल्ड अ सॉलिड बॉक्सिंग फाउंडेशन द सेम वे thousands of self-taught fighters have done earlier. So let's get started. Understand what you are training. Boxing isn't just about throwing punches. You are developing three core things. First, technique. How to punch correctly, defend and move. Second, conditioning. Stamina, agility and endurance. Third, fight IQ. Timing, distance and strategy. Every step in this guide will build one or more of these skills. Master your stance and guard. Your stance is your foundation. If it's weak, everything else will fall apart. Stand with your lead foot forward. If your dominating hand is right, then your stance should be orthodox. And if your dominating hand is left, then your stance should be southpaw. Feet should be shoulder width apart and तुम्हारी knees slightly bend होनी चाहिए. And तुम्हारी back foot की heel should be slightly raised for quick movement. Lead hand protecting your face and second one near your chin. Drill this daily. Shadow walks in front of mirror or imagine someone who you wanna beat to correct your posture and form. When you learn the 6 basic punches, always remember, if you want the mastery in any skill, just master the basics first. Jab, cross, lead hook, rear hook, lead uppercut, rear uppercut. Just these 6 you wanna master. If you are someone who is here to learn boxing as a self-defense and not interested in professional boxing, then these 6 are way more enough to beat you up. But always remember, practice is something which will help you to do that. Not just watching this video and hitting your dopamine. Now, practice slow and controlled at first. Focus on rotation from your hips, keeping your guard up and snapping back to defense. To do so, shadow walks 3 rounds a day, 1 minute each, focusing on only one punch at a time. Build your conditioning. Boxing is 50% skill and 50% conditioning. Here's what to do. 4 to 5 times per week. Jump ropes. 3 rounds each of 2 minutes. Body weight circuits. This will help you to speed up your movement. For this, you need to do push-ups, squats, planks, and burpees. For more details, you can check out any YouTube video. Next, shadow boxing with intensity. 3 to 5 rounds. Focus on speed and movement while maintaining the correct posture and form. By doing this, तुम अपना stamina, footwork and coordination build करोगे, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा critical है to learn boxing. Defense and footwork. Never be the one-dimensional fighter. So, train defense early. Practice slipping left and right. Learn to parry punches. इसमें तुम्हें सामने वाले के पंचेस को रिडायरेक्ट करना होता है by pushing their hand. Step back and pivot drills. अगर तुम्हारा ओपोनेंट सीधा तुम्हारी तरफ आ रहा है with aggressive punch, then you just have to left या right side slightly झुक कर उस पंच के पाथ से हट जाना है। Combine this with basic footwork, step in, step out, and lateral movement. Even 10 minutes of a day of footwork drills can elevate your entire game. Next, create a weekly routine. Structure, peace, and motivation. Here's a simple weekly plan. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Focus on technique and shadow boxing. Tuesday and Thursday. Focus on conditioning and footwork. Now, Saturday, you have to mix everything. Visualize you are having a 5 to 6 rounds of fight sessions to get the idea of how to fight. And for better, you can do this with your friend by taking precautions. Sunday, rest, or you can lightly stretch. Stay consistent and track your progress. Pro tip, watch and learn. Study real fighters. Watch slow motion breakdowns. Notice their footwork, timing and difference. तुम सिर्फ करके ही नहीं सीखोगे, बल्कि ऑब्जर्व करके भी सीखोगे. So, analyze fighters like Lomachenko for movement, Mayweather for defense, Tyson for explosiveness. Always take notes and apply what you see in your own training. Boxing at home isn't easy, but it's possible. It is an excellent way to start without overthinking. Just trust yourself and you will find your way to become a professional boxer.